So you want to create amazing AI images and videos but don't have a powerful computer or expensive graphics card. Good news, you do not need one. In this video, I will show you exactly how you can run cutting-edge AI tools like ComfyUI along with the brand new Wan 2.1 and Hunyuan open source video models without spending a fortune on hardware. Let's jump in. So Mimic PC does exactly what it sounds like. It mimics a PC and it's running it in the cloud. That means you can run a bunch of different apps and tools that would normally require an expensive NVIDIA graphics card. Now you can achieve the exact same thing and all you need is access to the internet. Before jumping into the latest video models, there are some really useful tools here that you should know about. An example is this one here called Face Fusion, which is great for face swapping. This can be used for both images and videos. Everything here is beginner friendly and you have guides with images so you can get great results without having to reinvent the wheel. Here is a before and after image of 3 girls, and then we see after the face swap that this is what it looks like. There are also different categories and filters depending on what you're looking for. So in image generation we have Auto 1111 and ComfyUI. If you wonder what the difference between these are, Automatic 1111 is great if you want a user-friendly interface with advanced settings to fine-tune your AI-generated images. ComfyUI, however, is more powerful but a bit more technical. It's modular, meaning you build your workflow step by step and it uses fewer resources. It supports image, video and audio generation. It's great if you're comfortable tweaking settings for specific outcomes. Now let's switch over to the latest video models and I'll show you how to run these AI models and generate videos using ComfyUI. So once you go to the Mimic PC homepage, click up here on the blue button that says Free Launch. Now on the menu to the left, click on Discover. This is the easiest way to find the most updated and latest AI workflows and models. We have the Wan 2.1 image to video. There is Hunyuan, which is another open source model from China. And if you're interested in a fast video generation, you have the LTX model down here. Or if you want to turn an image into a 3D model, you can play with this workflow here. Alright, let me show you how easy it is to actually start creating videos with these open source models. I know that a lot of people hate ComfyUI because it looks so overwhelming. However, once you use it, you'll realize that it's really not that hard, especially if you have a complete and ready workflow like in this case here. I'll start with the Wan 2.1 image to video workflow. This will turn any image we give it into a video based on our description. So once you click on start, you will get to this page. Here we need to choose a hardware in the cloud that will run the AI model for us. There are several options ranging from medium to ultra pro, and the more powerful options have 48 GB of VRAM. You can also pick between Bargain and Instant when borrowing these hardwares. So Instant gives you sole access and you will have all the resources of the hardware for yourself. Bargain is at half the price and it will share the resources with others. If this icon here is green, it means that there are plenty of computing power available, so you can just go with the cheaper option and select Bargain. I will choose the most powerful hardware and pick Instant for this video. Once done, click on Create and Start, and within a few minutes, you are inside and running ComfyUI in the cloud. It should look something like this once everything is set up. So this is the part where people usually feel overwhelmed. However, I'll make it really simple for you. You don't need to understand what every button does here. Our mission is to turn images into videos. That's it. So to do that, down here on the left side, click on this button to upload an image. Next, in this box, write your prompt or description explaining what you want to see happen in the video. For this image, I will write man taking off his headset and smiling. And that's it. Now click on Q and the AI will do the rest for us. After a few minutes, depending on the hardware you choose, we'll get a video following our description and turning our images into a video. Yeah, it seems our character has no ears in this video. This can be solved by writing visible ears in the prompt and generating a new video. And now we got this instead, but the headset seems to be in 2 pieces. So using this workflow, we can literally turn any image into an animation and video. Usually when you run a ComfyUI workflow, there are a lot of settings you need to adjust, and it's different based on how powerful your GPU is. Another problem is the various nodes and steps which requires you to install different files. However, when using a solution like this on the cloud, all of these problems are gone. Once you're inside and the workflow is ready, it has all of the settings adjusted for you and the files in place. So you only need to focus on creating and generating and nothing else. And if you want to get more technical, there is a guide for every workflow, as I mentioned earlier. This is really a game changer, and it's a great way to learn to use ComfyUI. Now let's switch to another workflow. This here is the Hunyuan image to video, which is a competitor to Wan 2.1. The workflow might look a bit different, and again, we don't care about that because we upload an image here, we find the prompt box, write our description, and turn our image into a video by clicking on Q. And here we go. Now there are a lot of different workflows, and these videos here were generated using a text-to-image workflow. So if you don't want to upload an image, you can basically generate a video from a description. Here is the videos I generated by writing cabin on the beach. Alright, I hope you learned something new, and as always, don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and see you in the next one. Bye.